welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to share with you an all-new exclusive gift sent by our good friends over at Mattel. Now, this is regarding the all-new turning Mecard game card system that's coming out this year, based on a popular TV show that turned into a card game. So it's quite interesting to see on how this all plays out. Now, it involves robots, cars, mechs, and so on and so forth, in which your card goes ahead and transforms into a robot in the blink of an eye. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here's the box they sent, and it actually looks really cool. I love the design, especially with the robot in the front. It's almost kind of popping off and giving it a really cool 3D effect as well. So this kind of slides out just like this. And then behind it, you do see it says Mecard. You do see the logo itself. It's got this cool looking pulse effect to it as well. And then you have these two little drawers that kind of slide out. So let's go ahead and slide out the top one first and see what it says. Alright, so this is a card saying that we've chosen you to try out our first new battle cards. So it should be quite interesting to see. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. And cool, we have two cards here off the back. We have a blue card, you can see that right there. So you do see that it is transparent, but it does have some good amount of details. You can see that on the bottom here there is a trigger, and literally when it presses it, it'll actually go ahead and open up into a robot itself. And then there's a head, and then here's a different icon in terms of what power-up you have. Now the way it folds up just depends on the card itself. You just go ahead and fold it up just like that, and it's actually not that difficult. It just takes a matter of understanding how it folds back up. So definitely a really cool card. I love the blue one. And then we have ourselves a green car. Look at that, it looks like an SUV, and then when it transforms, it turns into a dragon. Check that out, that thing is really cool. It's got a tail on it and everything. So the way this one just kind of folds up, you put the head down, and then you just go ahead and bring it back in, just like that. There you go, back to normal. Now over here we have some game cards. Let's go take these out. Alright, so these here are the cards itself. Now in terms of the quality itself, they're actually quite sturdy. They actually don't bend that easily. And then we have a cardboard kind of feel to it with a nice high gloss finish on the emblem itself. Now each of these cards has a robot on it, and then depending on the number that you get selected on, whenever the robot grabs it, it will actually determine the power attack that you get. So you definitely want to hold on to these and play with them. So let's go ahead and move on and see what else they sent us. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out the second drawer now. Sweet! So we got some emblems here on the top. You can actually put these as pins, so just go ahead and wear your favorite team. And then we have like looks like a master card. It's made out of very nice sturdy plastic. Alright, and then this here talks about the rules and how to play it. So it shows the game cards with attack points, match ability, and then in terms of setup goes, you just go ahead and line up the cards face down, and then you throw them at the same time, and then depending on whatever you get, you either have a battle or the player wins up that round. So really nice. And then on the back here shows all the different ones that you can have. Wow, there's actually a lot of different kinds here. Now these are all collectible. You even have these bigger cards as well, so how cool is that? And you can just go ahead and battle them all, and obviously having more gives you the more advantage in terms of winning. So really cool. Alright, and that kind of sums it up in terms of what it came up with. Now let's go ahead and try this out and see how this all works out. Alright, so we're all set up ready to go. So literally what happens is if you just go ahead and throw the card and watch what happens, it'll transform into the robot, and then it'll select the card as well as the power-up that you got. So definitely really cool. Even with this one here, we'll try this. Whoa, it actually did a flip too, and then even grabbed it by its mouth. That is pretty sick. But yeah, definitely a really cool concept, and having a transformer in your hand while you're playing is actually really unique. So you got a toy card that turns into a robot. Not to mention like the amount of details that they have on it is really incredible. I mean, you even have a tail and all these small details on it, which is really unique. Alright, well thank you once again Mattel for sending this amazing setup. Now if you guys had any questions about this particular mech card setup, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now, bye bye.